everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, according to your time and country. Today I'm going to share my feedback about best mobile apps for IELTS preparation in 2023. International language system is one of the most popular exams that students take to study abroad, especially in English speaking countries. IELTS is also taken by many professionals who are aiming to work in different English speaking countries. Many people take IELTS to follow their dreams of studying in prestigious institutions across the world, and some people need to use IELTS for immigration purposes, for which they need a high IELTS score in academic or general. Many apps are available for preparing of IELTS as they provide a great medium to start learning at any place. I will share with you my feedback in this video about the apps that you can take help during your road to IELTS. You can download the app according to your need and requirement. IELTS is a crucial exam for many students who want to take admission in majority English speaking countries. On an IELTS exam, the examiner is here to judge the test taker on the four basic skills, that is listening, reading, writing, and speaking. A test taker can score up to a maximum score of 9 band per task. These apps provide a quick and effective way to prepare for the exam. So let's start with me. My first app that I selected to discuss with you is IELTS Flashcards, and it's by Magoosh. Magoosh is a top-tier company for the preparation of IELTS exams such as GRE, IELTS, TOEFL, PT, etc. This app is a test preparation vocabulary tutor which is also stocked with very important IELTS words to learn based on their difficulty levels. A test taker can learn the words at your pace. It also provides various study guides, IELTS structure as well as the exam as well as the external links or other learning resources. Many high profile IELTS tutors I think were involved in the creation of this app. So this is recommended from me at number 1. Download this app from Android and your iPhone as well. Next app that I want to share is the app from British Council. This app is a product straight from the test makers, and the British Council app provides a full guide to the IELTS exam. It provides plenty of questions for each section of the exam. It's very easy to use and also provides grammar exercises to reduce grammatical errors in the actual exam. Some awesome features of this app is like IELTS word power, words ready, and learn English for audio and video make this app very interactive and fun to use. As this app is developed by the British Council, so different original free practice tests are also available here. You can download this app from Android phone as well and from your iPhone as well. My next recommendation is to you is IELTS Speaking Pro. This IELTS preparation app is a good app for audio practice as well as to enhance speaking ability. This app provides useful tips as well as sample answer to practice for speaking ability. The test in this app, the test transcripts can be easily displayed for practice. IELTS full application provides a level-wise segregated questionnaire for one to pick the best suited questions for the preparation. This app is very helpful for improving the score as well as to improve the mistakes. In this app, you can find the full test including speaking part 1, part 2, part 3, and you can find the test with their sample answers, and with sample answers you can prepare your exam very well. And cue cards available here as well, and with the cue card one topic is having different samples and you can prepare the topic as well with the sample answer. Okay, first how you can prepare from this app. First you should look at the question and then you have to think about the topic in your mind. You have to organize the vocabulary and sentence structure, and after that you can go to show answer, and then you can check the sample answer, and you should compare your answer with this sample answer, that how it's useful for you. My next app that I want to recommend is IELTS Complete Practice. In this app, you can find the IELTS vocabulary and different topics vocabulary. This vocabulary will be very helpful for you to use to get score more than 6 or 7. And then you can find here different type of speaking tests as well with sample answers. Here IELTS writing samples with the writing task 1, writing task 2. You can find the sample answers, and then IELTS reading test, IELTS speaking test, IELTS listening. Especially the most important thing, you can find here daily international news as well, which is very useful to deal with IELTS. My next app is IELTS Practice Band 9. In this app, you can find daily updates, IELTS test, 5000 IELTS vocabulary words with flashcards. And you can find this vocabulary according to the alphabets. And you can find the audio of this with this vocabulary as well, so you don't have to go there in the Google or might be from the dictionary to check the pronunciation of the difficult words. Writing task 1 for general training, for general practice as well, and writing task 1 for academic practice. In this you can find line graph, bar chart, pie chart, table, map, process, and mix chart, and you will find almost 25 to 30 sample questions with answers of each question or every type of question. And in the same way you will find writing task 2. In writing task 2 you are having here discussion topics, opinion, problem, double question, advantages and disadvantages, and every type of question is having almost 25 to 30 sample answers. It's a great thing. If you will practice these questions, it will be very helpful for you to get higher score in IELTS. And then you can here find Cambridge writing as well from book 9 to 17. All writing tasks are available here. Then you can find essay writings here, and then IELTS speaking with the audio, IELTS listening with sample tests, and IELTS. Then you can find here vocabulary as well, irregular verbs, idioms and phrasal verbs, common slangs, and grammar tenses. This app is really a great source of learning, especially for test takers to improve their score. So I will recommend it with almost 10 out of 10. You should have to download this app, and this is very excellent and user friendly app. My next app is IELTS. And in this app, you can find speaking part 1, speaking part 2, speaking part 3 as well. In speaking part 1, you can find 18 lessons are there with sample answers. And in speaking part 2 and 3, you can find 40 lessons with cue card and sample answers. Next, you are having writing task 1 and writing task 2 as well. In writing task 1, you will find 70 lessons with sample answers, and in writing task 2, you will find also sample answer. In reading, you will find 3 passages with different levels, and you can find here listening as well. In listenings, 4 sections are there with all the sample answers and samples that you can solve it here. This is all my recommendation for these apps, and these apps are very useful, and if you will use it according to the instructions and according to the requirement of your score, then it would be excellent for you. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz.